welcome back. So today when I decided to change the curtains in my room, I think maybe you can see that there is no curtains there. So when I decided that I need to change them, and I went and opened the cupboard where I keep all the curtains. It's on the loft, and there I decided that I need to organize this. So I thought, like, why not organize this and share this with you all and show you how I am going to organize this and the product that I'll be using. It's a product that I purchased from a friend of mine, which is also available online also. So let us see how I have organized my curtains. So as you can see, this is the loft where I keep all the curtains that I have. I'll just climb up to give you a closer look. Yeah. So yes, this is where I keep all the curtains that I have. Now let's see how to organize them. So first let me remove all this and keep it down, and I'll empty the whole shelf first. So I have emptied the loft and I have kept all the curtains here. As you can see, I have kept them in a set. Okay, so now to organize this, I have purchased this organizer from a friend of mine, and the best part of this is it has this steel supports. So it helps this box to stand firm. This is how it will look, and you can see the space inside. And because of the steel support, it is very steady. Plus there is a transparent sheet here which will help us see what we have inside. So that is one advantage of this. And secondly, when you if you have to remove anything from this, you can just unzip this and remove things from here. And also there is one zip on the top. So let's see how I will organize my curtains in this. So I'm going to put them in sets in this, so that it will be easier when I want to just remove that particular set. I can just remove it. Let's see. I think I'll be able to manage to keep all my curtains in one box. So hopefully this is the last one that will go in here. So yeah, so I have managed to keep all my curtains in one box. So yes, this is done. So all my curtains are in one this box, and as you all know, I can just unzip this and I can remove whichever curtain or things I want from here. So I can, we can just try if it works. See, suppose I want these curtains, I can just pull them out. So this is the whole set that I have pulled out, and the others are still there. It has not disturbed the other curtains. So yeah, I think this is very convenient, and it can be a practical solution for us. So I'm going to keep this on the loft where my curtains used to be. So since I have a space there, I'm utilizing that. But it can also go underneath your bed if there is a space, and it can go in your cupboard if you have a space there. So it can be kept anywhere as per your the area or the space available in your house. So this is the organizer that I have used to keep all my curtains. Yeah, so as you see, I have kept this on the loft, and now it looks more organized than before. And I think the advantage of this organizer is that it has this front zip, which can allow me to access them easily. So yes, I think this is definitely a good idea, and I really like this. So yes, so this is one of the way you can organize all the curtains. So I hope this video is going to be of help to you, and if you have liked my video, please do not forget to share it with your friends, and please click on the like button. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay organized.